How to change location on Facebook Marketplace. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, navigate to the Facebook Marketplace. Once you're here, at the top right corner of the pics, you will see the location. So click on it. And here you will have three options. You can either search for a location using the search bar, or you can navigate in the map manually, or you can click on the current location icon at the top right corner, which will move you directly to your current location. And at the bottom you will have two options. You can use the suggested radius, and you can use the custom radius that you will be able to custom manually. So once you're done and you choose a place, say for example this one right here, Lyon, click on apply at the bottom, and the location will be changed to that specific place that you chose. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the location of Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.